welcome to this channel. So today we're gonna have a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be a very soft pink look, but before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so the two palettes we'll be using today is the Morphe Sweet Oasis 35S. We did 3 makeup looks with this palette. I'll leave the link down below. But, I'm grabbing this palette because I have several pink tones, which is gonna be the makeup look of today. We're gonna do some pinks. So this palette has several ones. They're so pretty, so beautiful, and so pigmented. And also I'm gonna be using the Beauty Creation the Nutcracker palette. This is from their holiday collection, and I'm also going to use this palette because it also has several pinks, which I still don't know how I'm gonna make this makeup look, but I know I want pink, so this is another option. I also did 3 makeup looks with this palette. I'll leave the link down below. So for the transition color, I'll be using the Morphe palette in the color Al Fresco, and I'm just going to apply this on my lid and also on my crease. I already also applied some primer. I'm gonna go first with the Nutcracker palette, and I'll be getting the shade Prima Ballerina, and I'm going to apply this on the outside of my crease. Whatever I have on the brush, I'm going to start bringing the color on my crease and start blending the colors, so like that you don't have that like a big pigmentation of a pink, but very soft when you do the same thing on this side of the eye. Now moving on, I'm gonna go with the Morphe palette again, and I'm gonna go with the color Private Villa, and I'm gonna get this with a flat brush and start applying on my lid, on my outer lid, on this part of the eye, trying to bring that brighter pink on the eye. So now what I'm gonna do is a cut crease, so I'm just applying some concealer on my lid and do a cut crease. So now what I'm gonna do is get again the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Sneak a Kiss, which I think it's a perfect name for this Valentine look. So I'm just gonna tap this color where I apply some concealer for the cut crease. Moving on, I'm gonna get the color Just Us Two, and I think it's also a perfect and such a cute name for this Valentine look. Right now, before moving on with the face, I'm just going to put some falsies. These are from Ardell. I just don't know what number they are because I don't know where their original box is. So I'm just applying some red or orange concealer, underneath my dark circles, just because they're super dark right now, so I have more coverage underneath my eyes. I'm just applying another cream concealer. This is from Maybelline, underneath my dark circles. I'm also going to put this on my pimples. Moving on for the foundation, but this is not a foundation. I'll be using the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is in the shade Light 240W, and I did a video on this. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll leave the link down below. While I wait for the CC Cream to basically stay on my face, I'll be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Excess, and I'm just gonna combine the falsies with my lashes. I'm gonna apply some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Now, I'm just gonna contour my face. By the way, do you guys like how I decorated for Valentine's Day? It's super cute. I started to do this like a year or 2 years ago, but I really like it. I had to change it because before I did it in, like, I placed the stuff in another way, and I prefer like this now. But yeah, I really like to do this kind of like decor behind me, like depending on the month, depending on the season. For Christmas, we decorated for Christmas. For January, I put all like trees with snow, and right now, because we're in the month of love, So it's like, oh, let's decorate. I love to do this. Just gonna add some blush. Setting spray again. This is from Milani. Now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow palette, but now I'm gonna go with the color No Angel and just going to apply it on my nose, my cupid's bow, chin. I'm going to highlight the brow bone, and I'm gonna go with the color Champagne on Ice from Morphe, and then just with a small brush bring that color into the brow bone so you can have that glow. Now I'm gonna get again the color Prima Ballerina from Beauty Creations, and I'm gonna get this color underneath my eyes just to finish the look. Now I'm gonna get the new e.l.f. mascara and apply this on my lower lashes. So now moving on to the lips, I'll be using the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color Creme Brulee, which is a creamy lip gloss. On top of that, I want to go with the L'Oreal Gold Mirage lip gloss, and this is in the color Crush Quartz. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really like how it turned out. Pink, but not too dramatic, kind of with the soft pinks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.